Everybody find a seat somewhere. Golly, you guys are good. Thank you so much. Would you please welcome from the Toronto chapter, Eclipse.
Once upon a time, a girl with moonlight in her eyes put her hand in mine and said she loved me so. But that was once upon a time, so long, very long ago. Once upon a hill, we sat beneath a willow tree, counting all the stars and waiting for the dawn, But that was once upon a time. Now the tree is gone. Now it's gone. How the breeze ruffled through her hair. How we always laughed as though tomorrow wasn't there. We were young and didn't have a care. Tell me, where did it go? Once upon a time, the world was sweeter than we knew. Everything was ours. How happy we were then, but somehow, once upon a time, never comes this way again. Between you and the birds and the bees and Cupid, you made me change my ways. Oh, I'm not the same as I used to be. I'm walking around in a daze. I get up with a smile on my face in the morning, whistling a love refrain. Between you and the birds and the bees and Cupid, my life just ain't the same. Well, now the folks just smile and shake their heads, while mine seems funny and light. Really nothing ever seems to go wrong. Everything turns out just right. There's just one good explanation beneath the doggone moon above. Between you and the birds and the bees and Cupid, you made me fall in love. Well, you made me change my ways. You made me change my ways. Walk, and I'm walking around in a daze. I get up and smile now every morning, singing a love refrain. Now between you and the birds and the bees and Cupid, my life just ain't the same. They all smile and shake their heads, while mine seems funny and light, so light. Nothing is going wrong, baby. Everything seems so right. night. Now everything seems so right. There's just one explanation beneath the doggone moon above. You and the birds and the bees and Cupid made me fall in love. You and the birds and the bees and Cupid sent from up above. You made me fall in love.